Welcome back. Today we'll learn about extended arguments and call syntax. So, what are extended arguments? Extended arguments in Python, functions can be defined and called in very flexible ways. We can mix positional arguments, keyword arguments, variable length arguments list, and even enforce how arguments must be passed. Extended call syntax allows us to unpack iterables or dictionaries directly into function calls. Extended formal argument syntax. Python's functions defines syntax supports different kinds of parameters to give us maximum control. So here there are like two parameters like positional normal and keyword only after a asterisk. So let's just understand while taking a code and we'll run this into our code. We have already written it out here and we'll just understand this one. So here A and B are the normal we are defined function and A and B are normal positional arguments. These are required when calling the function. Here there's something called as asterisk args. It collects any extra positional arguments into a tuple. For example, if you pass more than two positional arguments, they'll go into args. So here we have only two positional arguments like A and B. Here then there is a keyword like C is equal to 10. We have referred C is equal to 10. That means a keyword only argument with a default value of 10. Because it comes after this asterisk args, it must be passed by keyword and not the position. Okay, these are like positional arguments first two. After that, it comes like asterisk kwargs. It collects any extra keyword arguments into a dictionary. These are keyword arguments that don't match any other parameter name. So then we are giving a functional call like demo 1. We have typed like 1, 2, 3, 4. C is equal to 20. C is equal to 20 and X is equal to 99 and Y is equal to 10. So once we run it, if you see the output, it gives A is equal to 1. It has taken 1. P is equal to 2. Okay. And ARGS, since there are no positional arguments, ARGS has taken 3 and 4. C is equal to 20 as we have like mentioned it, and X is equal to 99 and Y is equal to 10. Here it goes into this particular function. So here what has happened? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, ARGS is equal to 3 and 4, tuple of extra positional arguments. Since now here you may say that we already have defined C is equal to 10, but we have now passed C is equal to 20, so it has override to 10. And Kwargs, it takes all other keyword arguments. So this is one type of arguments that we can pass. So let's see our next slide. It is called as keyword and positional only. From the Python 3.8 version, we can enforce how arguments must be passed using two special symbols in the parameters list. Like we can use a backslash in the parapositional only and asterisk makes after it as a keyword only. Extended call syntax. We have seen like when calling functions, you can use asterisk and double asterisk to unpack arguments dynamically. Args 1 2, it unpacks a sequence list tuple into positional arguments. KWARGS, it unpacks a dictionary into keyword arguments. Summary. Extended argument syntax makes function definition more flexible. Position only and keyword only arguments make APIs cleaner and safer. Variable numbers of arguments easily. Extended call syntax allows dynamic unpacking when calling the vehicle variables. So let's meet in the next